There's the rulers, the reverb tank, the EBO.
A normal instrument, you're playing it and you're expecting it to have a sound that is pleasing. But with an instrument like this, the goal is to just produce sounds that, in this case, are disturbing.
The apprehension engine is an instrument that creates a variety of really creepy and some would say horrifying sounds. My name is Mark Corvin. I'm a film music composer, and lately I've been focusing on horror movie scores. Two of my biggest hits as far as horror films are concerned was from the late 90s, a film called Cube, and most recently, The Witch. I originally commissioned the apprehension engine because I was tired of the same digital samples, which resulted in a lot of sameness of a lot of horror music. So I was looking for something more experimental, more acoustic, that would give me a little bit more of an original sound. That's where I contacted my friend Tony Duggan-Smith.
So Mark called me asking me to create a crazy instrument for horror films. Because I'd never done anything like that before, it made me empty out all my pockets and all my drawers of any knickknacks and bits and bobs I could possibly string together to make it happen for him. And this is what came of it. You're dealing with things that stir primal emotions and feelings. And there actually is a skill set that you have to acquire in order to get the most out of it.
It expresses what really can't be expressed any other way. It's not music in the traditional sense at all. But let me put it this way. The apprehension engine definitely evokes an emotion. So I would call it music.